Hello everyone. Today we are Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how we can configure Jenkins in our EC2 instance, the AWS EC2 instance. So first we have to provision one Ubuntu system, and then we have to perform some task, and we have to write some script over there, and that's the way the Jenkins will be installed over there. So without any delay, we are uh, just going we'll just go and see how we can install Jenkins in our AWS EC2 instance. So first, we have to go to our EC2 dashboard. So I already logged in my EC2 dashboard. You can see already logged in over there. This is my EC2 dashboard, and I don't have any instance. So first, I have to create the instance. So launch instances. You can click launch instances. You have to wait for launch instance. I think some network issue is there, or it's slow from that's the reason. Okay, so we have to launch an instance. So add the instance name. Here I am adding Jenkins master, and we have to choose the image. And that is, in my case, I click on the Ubuntu system and scroll down, and you can choose the free tier eligibility. So both are free tier eligible, but that is more LTS. Means 20.04 is LTS, long term support, and that is better than 20.04. The I have used always the 20.04. So you can any of them you can use if you are using for the free tier eligibility. So in my case, I am choosing 20.04 LTS. So that I have chosen. And just scroll down your instance type, that is the free tier eligible. I choose T2.micro. Okay. And for key pair login, you have to create new one, create the key pair, you have to create new one like key pair or Jenkins key pair. You can write any name as per your choice. So I have added Jenkins key pair. Just scroll down and click on create key pair. And go to the folder. So this file is very essential. We have to keep this file very securely, and from the file location we have to use the Jenkins, the Ubuntu server, the .pm file that you have to keep in your own location. Okay, I am added in my download section. That not a very big thing, and once it is done, you allow your traffic, that is HTTP and HTTPS, and create your security group. That is automatically created when you launch your instance, and that's all. Okay, and number of instance as of now one, so you can launch instance, and it will take some time for launching the instance. You can see that initialization process is going on. So already done, we can see. So go to the instances, and you can see the running. There are other system in I already have installed over there, and now it is stopped. So just filter out the running. So go to instance state, and instance state is equal to, and choose running. So it will always automatically filter out only the running instances. So Jenkins master is running, you can see. Just refresh it. I'm waiting only for the 2x2 checks first. Once it will be done, I will go to my mobile external plugins. That mobile external, you can see the mobile external. From here, I will connect. Let's wait for that 2x2 check first. It will take 2 or 3 minutes more, and then it will come. So I have to wait 1 or 2 minutes more. Just waiting for the 2x2 check first. So then I will go and connect. This status check is always important, that because that is internally checking all your when system related issues are there or not, or is there any problem. So it will internally check. So that is the reason I just wait for the status check. Um, just refresh automatically, it will come. Okay, I just add my refresh. You can see the status check. Yeah, and now you can see that 2x2 check pass. So you can click, you can select the Jenkins master and just scroll down. You can see that public IP, right? Just copy the public IP, go to the mobile system, go to session, and just click on SSH. And in the remote host, you have to add your public IP and the specific username. So the username from where we can collect, right? That is the question. So just select over there, go to connect, and you can see the username Ubuntu is written, right? So this name I have to put over there. Ubuntu. And click on advanced SSH setting. Choose the private key. That means the .pm file where I am going to add. So go to downloads, or in my case, I'm going to downloads because it's already there. And you can, as per your choice, you can keep this file and from where you can select. So I just select and click on open and then click on OK. Now you can see it will import the .pm file, and so the first time that dialog box will be there, right? So what it will tell, it seems to be the first time you connect to the server. And that is the reason the dialog box is appear. The remote server identifier is not yet known by mobile store, right? So please accept. So by default, you can see the accept is selected, right? Go and click on accept. And you can see that authentication is coming. Now we are just connected in our Ubuntu system. So congratulations to all of you. We are just one step forward to installing Jenkins. So we are inside the Ubuntu system. Just clear it. And the next step that I have to write some script, some command over there to up and running Jenkins. So there is two way. You can write all the comments line by line, or you can create one sh or shell script file, and from that script file you can execute it, right? So the current directory, you can see the home Ubuntu, right? And is there any file? No, I don't have to see any file over there. And let's see, and let's create one file inside that location, right? So I just prefer, I just collect all the script in one place and I will run. I already write all the script, means already I have this script. This script I will copy and paste into one shell script file, right? And then I will run it. So how can I do that? So first you have to create one shell script file. Sudo nano Jenkins runner, or any name as per your choice, you can put .sh. And you can see one editor is open, right? Just go and this one. You can first, you have to select the bin bash, this mode. You have to activate this mode by writing this way, or you can paste. And after that, you just go and select all the comments and place over there. And place over there. Go and paste. All the comments, you can see I jot down all the comments and just click OK. So all the comments is there and you have to save. So in order to save, you have to press Ctrl X, means exit, and then it asks to save or not. So definitely we are using yes, so press Y. And the script file is saved. I can see this file is there or not. So press ls. You can see one file is created, right? Jenkins runner.sh. And now I always try to verify that that the script is saved or not, right? So just write cat and Jenkins underscore runner dot sh. You can see all the comments that I have added, so it is there, right? That means we have saved all the comments. Just clear it to clear the screen. Now we have to provide him that administrator power, right? So that's the reason you have to just create this line. So this comment basically tell that you have to provide the admin access. What is our file name? Just paste and replace the sh my script to your Jenkins runner. Jenkins underscore runner dot sh. Yes, so I forget to mention sudo to ls. So we have to add the Jenkins this file to the administrator privilege, right? Now I can run this command Jenkins underscore runner dot sh. Jenkins underscore runner dot sh, and then you can see that all the comments what I have added, right, that has been executed. One by one it will be executed. We no need to add anything over there. So once it will be done, so you can see all the packages like Java and the OpenJDK all has to be going to install, right, over there. Or you can do one thing, you can just line by line you can copy and paste and then it will be executed. So better you can create one script file and then you can add, right? You can see the Jenkins is installing and it takes 1 or 2 minutes more, and then I think the Jenkins will be activated. Once it will be done, next step is that I have to open the port. So we all know the by default port of Jenkins, that is 8080, right? That port we have to open from our AWS. That instance, the Jenkins master. So I will do that before it has to be installed properly, and then I will do it. And I think all authentication Jenkins. Yeah, yeah, I think the Jenkins is running because you can see that the status Jenkins continuous integration server active running, right? So the process is up and running. Now we have to validate the process. It's really running or not, right? So just go to your EC2 console and go to your instances, and you can see Jenkins master. So select the Jenkins master and copy the public IP, and then go to another tab and paste the public IP and now mention the port. So Jenkins port is 8080. If I will hit, it will not showing because I am not allowing this port, right? You can see it has not to be reached out to the Jenkins server. So we just go to the EC2 instance and go to the security tab. Inside the security tab, you can see click launch widget 16. Just scroll down, edit the inbound rules, and here either you have to mention all the TCP or in the port range everything will be open, or either you can choose your custom TCP or the value 8080 that you can add, and anywhere means we can access the public IP and that port also in the any location, right? So just click and save the rule. You can see that security group successfully updated or modified. That is showing the so inbound security group rule successfully modified, right? So that's done from that port side and that network side. So edit inbound rule, you can go and customize as per your requirement. Not in the outbound rule, right? Only on in the inbound rule. Just go and you can see the Jenkins sign-in page is there. So I need the administrator password. So from where I will collect the password. So that is the location. So I'll copy the entire location, go there and just clear the screen and CD. That is the location you have to paste. You just okay. See and deny it. Okay, I just go and change the administrator mode, right? Sudo AC. You can see the prompt is changed, right? You can go and write cat, not series, so cat, and that is the initial password. You can see this is the password, right? You can copy the password or copy it, copy the password and go to the website, go to the Jenkins login page and paste it, right? The password that I paste. After that, I want to see the process also, right? When I click the Jenkins and then the process, the plugins that has been installed. How we can see that installation? That has to be installed inside the plugins. So I have to go sorry, not etc Jenkins, that is your CD ls. You can see the Jenkins is there, right? Ls, and the Jenkins process is showing. Yeah? You can see the secret user plugins. So the plugins is there. So change. I'll go to the plugins and just ls. Means I want to see that any other plugins are there or not. So is there no plugins is installed as of now? So I'm just going to install. Just go and click the continue button. You can see that Jenkins customize Jenkins that two dialog box also be there. So you can install Jenkins plugin, the suggested plugins, or you can select plugins to install. So in my case, I just choose install suggested plugins, and you can see that Jenkins plugin is installing. If you hit ls, just check how many plugins are installed or not. Just check. You can see every time that size of the plugin that has to be increasing, right? ls, 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 ls. That means the plugins that is required has been installing. And now to create your admin user, so by default, one user is required for provisioning the Jenkins. So username, I just write as per my choice. You can write as per your choice. So add the necessary steps, that password, confirm password, full name. You can add your name or any name that you want. Email address, that any email address you can choose. Now click save and continue, and instance configuration, the Jenkins URL, the link, and that is the port number and that public IP of that instance that has been showing, right? So click save and finish. And congratulations once again that we have already connected and installed the Jenkins. Your Jenkins setup is complete. So click on start using Jenkins. You can click, and then the default dashboard of Jenkins that has been appeared, right? So we all are successfully connected the Jenkins with the AWS EC2 instance, and this is the first dashboard page of Jenkins. And the next video, I will discuss the step-by-step learning of Jenkins, how to create the job, how to create the pipeline, how to create the new item. So everything will be coming one by one, right? So I hope you already all are understood the process. So first, you have to provision one EC2 instance. Second step, that I already jot down all the plug script that is required for installing Jenkins. That is kept with me. You just create one shell script file, and it, please remember, it has to be one win bash mode, means interactive mode, right? And then you have to paste all the commands inside that bin bash. I just cut it and place over here. So that script is will be interactive. Then you have to provide the getting the administrator access and you can run this script. So my script.sh, I just added the name Jenkins runner, right? Jenkins runner. And when you hit this, select that one, and you can see the Jenkins process, everything will be coming. I hope you all can understand the Jenkins installation step. That is very easy step. Just we have to work it and practice it 1 or 2 times, then you can understand easily. And you can see the Kosik there, that is the user that I have created right now. And you can add the description. This is for a demo user or any name. You can preview and you can save it. Okay, and next I'll come to see the next one by one process is there, the dashboard creation, many other steps are there. Now I'll go and discuss. So thank you everyone for joining the session. I hope you all can understand. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel. And if you feel any problem, so please write in the description box. I'll surely respond to your comment. And don't worry about the script that I'll add in the description box, and you can get from there. And if you feel any problem, you can write in the comment box, and I definitely respond that comment. So thank you everyone once again uh, to be there. Thank you everyone. Bye.